So while I'm already here, I figured I might as well do another unboxing. This is a Hunter Southern Classic 52-inch fan in polished brass. Got this new unbox from Facebook Marketplace way up in New York, up by like the Canadian border. It's kind of an unexpected find, but I think it was pretty cool. See all the stuff on the side of the box. Now the Southern Classic, if this had a light kit, it would have been called something else. Hunter was very weird with having a million model names for things. I think it would have been called the Park Lane or something like that. But yeah, as you can kind of see already, there is a bit of damage on the box, just with the color fading away and everything, but made in Taiwan. 200 specifications. Shipping label's gone, unfortunately. Alright, so we open it up. You can see that, what kind of blades are these? I'm honestly not sure. I know the other side is oak, and this isn't rosewood, I don't think. But it's the same kind as the Hunter that's been in my living room for forever. Here's the oak side. Still new in the wrapping. And that's all that's on this top part. Ooh, everything else is down here. The motor taking up most of the space. First let's do, this is the upper canopy and the mounting bracket. This is the switch cap. See the pull chain there. Everything else is in here. Let's do this first. These are the blade irons. It's the style where the blades attach to these two screws, and then there are blade badges right there, which I'll take out in a sec, that go over it to get this right there. Can I get these out with one hand? No, I cannot. One sec. So here they are. Very nice. I won't be taking all of these out because this fan is on eBay, and I'd like to sell it in new condition. Bottom of the motor housing. See the part where the switch cap connects to there. And bare motor by itself looks very different from the actual like finished product once you're done installing it. It almost looks like one of those Sears turn of the century fans with these huge vents. Yeah, this part that you don't see, it almost looks like it's turned like green or something. There's the tag. From fourth quarter of 1995. I believe that's how Hunter did their date code. A few more things. Downrod. Balancing kit, which is really just a piece of plastic and some fancy paper. More mounting bits. All the screws and washers. The nice gel packet. And that's about everything. So, try to make this one quick, but there you have it, the Hunter Southern Classic. Thanks for watching.